Hello guys, and welcome to another Serge Zimaleta. In today's video, I'm actually installing LED lights. I actually already installed them, and I want to show you how simple it is to actually install them. One of my buddies actually picked up a set of LEDs, and he's like, man, it makes all the difference in the world. He showed me some pictures at night and showed me which ones to get. So I jumped on the ball and I picked him up. He picked up his for like $100. I found these a lot cheaper. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna link him up in the description below, guys. You can get mine or simply search for LED lights on eBay or Amazon, what have you. But you might want to know actually like which ones work without having to do any modifications, which one I got. So I'm gonna link up the link to those. Guys, simply plug and play. I'm gonna show you exactly what I did there. Say guys, I'm going to show you how they shine at night, all in this video, guys, and let me actually show you what it looks like. Today's video I want to show you my new LED lights that I have installed. As you can see, this is the high beams, and look how much brighter that is right there. It's actually super bright that the camera does not pick it up as bright as it is. Just bought these H7 LED light bulbs from Amazon, and let me see if I could even show you. I don't know if it's gonna flip the monitor upside down, but take a look at it, guys. This is actually the light installed. Let me show it to you with the lights off. It's actually really cool looking. So check it out, guys. It's got like a gold housing on it. Oh, I was looking at the wrong hole, guys. But look how it's actually installed. It looks completely original. The H7 light bulb is actually installed where it needs to be. This is the plug that it plugs into. And the cool thing about it is you can actually still completely reinstall this headlamp covering. Let's see here. So look, you can actually put everything completely back, and actually everything fits. I've seen, you know, some of my friends installing these LEDs, and this is why I bought it, but they had to drill holes in their plastic, and look, no holes, nothing. It's a simple plug and play, guys. There's nothing to it. Here's the wiring. The only thing is, if you install yours and the lamp is not coming on, then flip the side how you got it plugged in, you know, twist this thing over, you know, because if it's plugged in the other way, it won't work. It only works one way. But the way I actually got this thing connected, if this is any of interest to you, is I had to basically let me just pull this out here. Let me see if I could get this. As you could see, what I did is I actually had to spread these things apart just a little bit and angle it a little bit and get it right behind the metal, because it would be impossible trying to stick it over that. So I came in with the regular type of metal, and as the light would be kind of like installed, like the metal piece would be like that, I put the lamp here, and then I popped the metal pieces right behind it. And I actually did that one-handedly without no problems. You can see that's actually what I'm doing now, and I'm having to look through my camera as I'm doing it. So everything's right now connected. That's the LED light. And what I was showing you previously, here's the regular high beam in the H7. It's actually plugged in right here. It's a really simple type of plug-in over here, and they hook up on the left or the right side. Yeah, and that little white line plugs in. But here's a regular turn signal type of light. Forgot what these are called, but it's the same type of light that goes here on the side. I gotta actually find a replacement for it, plug that in. What some guys do is, and I've done it in the past, is buy these things in LED as well, where they're nice and bright. So if, let's say, like your H7 burns out, you could still have this inside. It'd be shining like really, you know, not so bright because these LEDs are kind of weak, but it looks like you got a headlight, so keep you from getting a ticket. And of course, you could use your high beams to really get where you're going. But I kind of figured I'll share that with you guys, and I'm actually now upgrading this one as well. Now these LEDs here, they're the same, but they're a little bit different style. That particular one that I showed you, this piece is much larger, that, you know, red piece. And inside, guys, there's fans. If I turn the lamps on, you could actually hear the fan running. So what's it doing? It's actually cooling the LED off. I believe this has a fan as well, but you cannot see the fan. There's no access to actually see the fan. But let me show you. Once I turn on the light over here, let me show you the fan running. The regular lights on without the high beams. They're bright right now in the day, but I'm gonna get some video, guys, for you at night, so don't worry. You'll see how much it's shining. Curious to see myself. So let's see here. So take a listen to that. Guys, what you're hearing is you're hearing the fan right there blowing. So that's kind of cool. It's cooling the LED down. Guys, these lights that I actually got, they're supposed to be like a yellow type of, you know, look to them. I forgot exactly the brightness because I got like 5 different sets. But these are supposed to be yellow, but they're so like bright LEDs. They're gonna look like kind of like HIDs, but they're gonna last way longer. I will tell you like what the luminance and stuff in this video somewhere. Also, I will be doing a video on buffing these lights out. That's going to be coming at some point. We're also going to paint in this van this year. I want to do kind of like a complete restoration on it. It's been, I think, 2.5 years since last I done a paint job on it. This was a Rust-Oleum job. Everybody seemed to like that video. I'm not a huge fan of that Rust-Oleum paint job, because it faded out like this, guys, which is not really good. But I'm going to be using an original type of paint on it now. It's going to be like asphalt gray. It's gonna look actually pretty cool. I want to show you like another thing. We got some changes that came. I basically have gravel driveway now. I got rid of a lot of holes. They're still work in progress. I actually made this road right here. It's gonna lead to my garage to the side here. My plan is to build a shop down there with a side door and one in the back, and then some doors in front there. So I'll be able to like open it up and work in here and actually make myself kind of like a driveway that goes back here, and, you know, make it like cement. I need to make this cement as well because we had some rain, and you could see now all of these trucks. I had kind of like a UPS truck that came in and he kind of did all that. Not good, but anyways, we have a lot of things happening. We have very powerful LED lights, you know, light poles. So it provides a lot of light, but you could clearly see in this area it's completely dark. I just parked my other car. The lights are still on. Those are also like ice blue. But this area you can see it's pitch black, so we're gonna be shining lights. That difference, guys, with the lights on. This is just regular lights. This is not high beam. They actually look very bright, guys. The actual video cannot do justice. This side, you could clearly see everything is nicely lit up now just because of them. And actually, that was kind of like dark before. The high beams, the regular high beams, they're not LEDs, but that's actually what it looks like. It just looks like cool tones with warm tones. So that's cool, and that's a regular, you know, high beam. And of course, now I'm being lit by my actual light pole here. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, that is a yellow LED. It looks actually pretty bright, and it does look kind of cool, but it doesn't look right. Having a yellow one kind of like side by side, you really can't tell, but these blues are looking very nice. And guys, they're like very bright. Like right now, like, you know, the way it's actually sitting there, it actually looks like the way the lights are lit up. It looks like a Bentley is coming, basically, but you can't really see that. Let me see if I could maybe focus on something else. My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter Expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.